Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to a new video. Today's video, we'll be doing part 2 of the SB facility build. Last video we will be focusing on heavy containment zones, so that's what we'll be focusing on right now. We might be spawning where we are. Boom. I need to turn up a few things. Boom. Yeah, possibly one right there, but maybe. Remember, that's my username. Pause it if you want to add me. I'm not sure what I'm running around for. Yeah, I'll show something cool. Look. Let me remove this real quick. So pretend this is the observation room. Move. Oh shoot, I'll put you over Steve's face. Never mind. Ballistic helmet. Why am I laughing? Nothing's funny. Because I'm going to be the 05 council. Why not? I sure hope I don't get fired by the foundation. Anyways, I'm the 05 council. So pretend this is like a chamber. You might have known this. Grab a random button. I liked what else she did. Hang on. Alright. So with that, anyways, I'm just gonna change characters. Don't ask about all these. Why do I have 2 of these? SB modern base textures, SB contain breach, whatever. HD, HD I think. No, I'm just choose this guy. He looks like a cool MTF soldier. Remember, if you want to add me, username, then I can't remember if I showed you in the first episode, but I made I think I told you about The Office, didn't I? Shut up, case sound. Anyway. Too loud. You're too loud. Lock down doors. Anyone can enter. Too loud. Foundation Trio is patrolling the area right now. I'll see if you're watching this. May you please add some outfits like red right hand. Actually, not red right hand. like trio, chaos. That would be great. Also, nice doors. This is my office. And also, if you want to make your own office, you can. And boom. Extra desk for me. Also, I do my little stuff. Some extra guys here to keep me company. You know, I'm also not sure if you're supposed to put 096 in your office, but whatever. Anyways. Bruh. That wasn't too loud. There's lots of space to put in some more rooms / offices. Also, if you want to make this a bigger, like, computers, you can. Also, I would love to see offices. Can you put in more? Anyways, that's not our main focus today. We're not going to focus on those. We're going to focus on heavy. I actually love making SB foundations. I have some in the making that I will like to upload. If you would like to help me with that, I would like that. Soon I might end this because I'm going somewhere. But yeah. Dude, why did that thing just shoot over? I did some stuff off camera, as you can see. I know I've been talking a lot about adding, but if you want, you could. But if you don't, it's okay. And new people to SCP would always be great. Actually, why did I say that? I meant to say new people to the channel, or, you know, to... I keep forgetting what I'm about to say. There's this lamp. Alright, I'll see you in the next episode. See ya. Peace.